Hey guys, this is Tino from Tino Photography. Depending on your contract, you might have a list of prints. You might have 100 prints, you might have 5 8 by 10s or 1 8 by 10 or 1 16 by 20 regular poster or a 16 by 24 acrylic. Depending on the contract that you have with us, you will see the list of items that you're getting here. Now, if you're not familiar with Google Drive, please follow these instructions. So make sure you use a computer, do not use a phone. Second, click this link to download the picture. So let's do that. Let's click the link. It open. We see the folder with the edited pictures. In this case, this is the name of the client. So let's right click, download the pictures. So what's going to happen is it's going to download the whole folder. So we're going to give some time until the pictures download, and then what we're going to do is we're going to choose the pictures that we want to print, and I'll show you that in a second. Just waiting here to see what happens. So it's going to take a little while because these are high resolution pictures. It will take some time to download, but it's very easy to do. So still waiting. We'll wait and wait and wait. All right, guys. Almost there. Perhaps if I close these might help. There. So again, it will take some time to download the pictures. Once you download the pictures, you gotta go to the folder that you just downloaded. You have to choose the pictures that you want us to print, and then you have to put those pictures that you want us to print in the folders that I'm giving to you, and you will see that in a second. So let's just wait, okay, and see what happens. So it's taking a little while to download. Usually shouldn't take that long, but in this case it is taking some time. Okay guys, so we have downloaded the pictures. Now we're going to save. You choose the location where you want to save. In my case, I want to save in downloads. You might want to save in the desktop or in an external hard drive or USB or something. But in my case, I'm going to save to downloads. I'm going to save. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go to the folder that I just downloaded. So go there, downloads, and I find the zip folder. So because we downloaded a folder, you actually have to unzip it. So what you have to do is you have to double click, and it will unzip the folder. So now we see the pictures right here, Gabby's pictures. So let's double click to open. These are the pictures. You have to go through the pictures and check them out and see which one you want to print. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go back to your email, and now step 3 says open this link to see the folders. So I'm going to open the link, and I see that in this case, this client has 5 8 by 10s, 116 by 20, 116 by 24, and so on and so on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose first the 8 by 10. So let's click this folder. Let's open the folder. Let's move the screen over, and let's choose the pictures. So I need to choose 5 8 by 10s right here. It's telling me 5 8 by 10s. Okay, cool. So let's click this one. Oh, yep, I like that one. So let's go and let's drag that there. Let's see that one. I like that too. So let's drag that one here. Then let's see this one right here. There's another one. I like that as well. Let's put that there. Here's another one. Let's see. Here's another one. Yep, I like that too. Let's put there. And then there's another one here. Let's see. Oh, right there. I like that one too. So let's put that there. Okay, so I have the 5 8 by 10. So let's go back now and let's open the next folder. The next folder is 116 by 20 poster. Perfect. I open. let's look for the picture that I want to have as a poster. In this case, I want a family picture, and that's going to be this one. Let's pretend that that's the one that you want to be. So let's drag that there. It will upload, and it will tell you when it's ready. It's ready. Let's go back. Let's choose now the 100 4x6 prints. So open the folder, go back to the pictures edited to the edited pictures that we just downloaded, and choose the pictures. Choose the pictures that you guys want to print. You can choose more than one at a time. You can choose, I mean, it's up to you. You do what you have to do, but it's very, very easy. Once you're done, there's nothing to do. We will review the folders, and we will see the pictures that you placed there. That's all you have to do. I'm sorry, it's a little long video, but I truly hope that the information was clear and helpful. Take care.